Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you are on a desktop browser and logged into Twitter. Extensions work best there. Once ready, install a user-style extension like Stylus. Next, navigate to your profile and open the inspector to locate the joined element selector. This gives you the exact class or ID to target. You do this now because Twitter does not offer a built-in hide option, so the browser-level approach is the first actionable step that removes the display locally. Now you create a custom style in the extension and scope it to Twitter. COMSO changes only apply there. Paste a rule that targets the selector you found, for example, replace with profile header card joined display. None. Important. If that matches, if not, use the correct class or ID. Save the style and refresh your profile page. If the line disappears, the CSS worked. Make sure to test in a private window to confirm it's not a cached render. Finish by confirming the result across different pages and devices where you want the change. Remember, you alone see this unless others install the same style. If hiding causes layout issues, try visibility, hidden or font size, 0 on the same selector to preserve spacing. If the element reappears after a Twitter update, reopen the inspector, find the new selector, and update your rule. If nothing works, disable other extensions and clear cache. That often resolves conflicts caused by conflicting scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.